Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making stuffed omelets in tomato sauce, aka Frittatine. I have a medium bowl, and in it I have half a pound of ricotta cheese, and to it I'm going to add a half a pound of chopped spinach. I'm just going to mix it in. To this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano, salt, pepper. To make the omelet part of our stuffed omelets, I have a small bowl. To it, I'm going to add 1 egg, tablespoon of milk, salt, pepper. I'll take this to the stove and cook it into a flat omelet. I have a medium pan on the stove. Add some butter. When the butter's melted, I'll add my egg mixture. And this omelet's done. We'll move it to a plate and we'll continue cooking more omelets. I have a small baking pan. To the bottom, I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of tomato sauce. I have one of my omelets, and I'm going to take some of my spinach and ricotta mixture and put it right in the middle. Spread it out. Carefully, I'm just going to fold it up, and then I'm going to place it in my pan. I have my folded and stuffed omelets, and to the top I'm going to add another slathering of tomato sauce, a sprinkling of mozzarella cheese, and a dash of Parmesan cheese, and we're ready to bake. My stuffed omelets are just out of the oven. It's nice and hot. I'm going to put it back in the oven, this time under the broiler, to just brown the top. I have one of our stuffed omelets. Let's give it a taste. That ricotta and spinach, it's nice and creamy. It's so nice wrapped up in that delicate egg, and the tomato sauce just brings the whole thing together. Delicious. It's worth mentioning that stuffed omelets make great sandwiches. And there you have it. That's how you make stuffed omelets in tomato sauce, aka Frittatine. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.